This is insane. I haven't seen the parking lot to this place this empty since like Christmas Eve. We made it! We're in one piece. We braved the crowds and we're here. I couldn't film any on the drive because it's illegal and unsafe. And don't film stuff while you drive. It's not a good idea. Oh, the shop's a mess. Hello, Toyota. So we have a different video for you today. We're gonna be trying out a vlog style video because this point in time, in 2020, the world is completely different. And I figure we might as well change things up here on the YouTube channel until everything settles back down. Certain things for me have changed in the next several weeks, as I assume a lot of you, because of what's going on in the world. My brother is supposed to be here like 38 minutes ago, and he's not here yet. Here's some freshly cut leather pieces. All of these pieces of leather were supposed to be put together, made into straps, and shipped off to Amazon. But in the last couple of days, Amazon said that we're no longer accepting products other than medical supplies. So this is gonna have to wait. It's a lot of straps. Very gently. Pretty cool. Also very expensive. So if you follow me on Instagram, you're probably gonna know what these are for. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you're probably not gonna care what these are for. Maybe I'll give you a sneak peek. What? So these are special custom-made pieces for our project here today. Should fit. I hope they fit. Please fit. Uh-oh. Alright, I think it's all but the one. Man. Oh, no, it fits. Nice. Alright, so before I get into all that carbon fiber stuff over there, I need to cut a couple pieces of steel and get them up to the manufacturer and get a couple of samples made so that we can begin testing. And unfortunately, I don't have, oh, it pains me to do this, I don't have the exact steel that I need, so I'm gonna have to use this really nice heavy-duty piece of 01. Oh, this is an expensive piece of steel, and I'm basically just gonna be cutting it up into pieces. Yeah, that wasn't the most crooked cut in the entire world. Yes, I know this is not the appropriate square to use, but I don't care. So here we have my test pieces. Only one thing left to do. They're supposed to all be the same length. That's why you don't use a square like that. Mostly perfect. You always say perfect in case someone else is listening. I thought you were going to be here around 12.
Got caught up.
Oh. Busy day, huh?
Just a whole lot of doing nothing that was happening, so. You didn't text me until 12. I was taking a nap.
Brought me lunch, so I forgive him.
1, 2, 3, 4.
9.25, 46, so
47.5 for each
48.
one. You know what? This I can't use it because it's 1/4 inch too short.
Alright, so my brother's going to be in charge of the camera.
Alright. What's that for?
What? Tape measure's broken. What we say, 9 and
9.5.
Are you sure we said 9.5, right?
Yep.
So like you want to try to avoid like super quick What's it called? The Doppler effect or something? Wait, hold on, I did it the wrong way. Hold on. Ow. Highway, baby! Faster!
What was my time?
I don't know. I forgot to hit record. You just said you could pick that up over your head.
I can. If I wanted to.
Yeah, if you wanted to. It's 110 pounds.
Can I drop in the driveway?
I mean, preferably don't like drop it like. You could just like slam it down on the ground. Actually, I don't know if you should do this.
I don't need it.
Oh dear. All right, now let's race. I'm not running with that. Well, brother just left. So now it's just me and I'm pretty much done for the day. It's getting late, so I think I'm gonna pack up and go home. Got some stuff done. Got a number of things put together. Some other stuff ready to be shipped out to the not the manufacturer. I'm drawing a blank. It's been a long couple days. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll be back possibly tomorrow. And yeah, we're just going to continue these vlog style videos and see what happens. They're kind of fun to make. Who knows? I've got brother coming back over tomorrow. We're going to be probably working on a video to a product promotion video. We'll put it that way. And maybe we'll vlog some of that until we get back to normal. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, stay safe, and wash your hands.